I'm proud and honored to welcome you to the International Forum on Seafarers Education, Training and Crewing. For the first time, it is happening in Odessa, Ukraine. Myself, as a speaker for various international maritime conferences in Europe and Asia, I know that this place will be a unique place for a brainstorming, the place where you can learn, you can share your ideas, the place where all maritime professionals will find the way how to make our maritime world, our maritime industry better. This is not just about seafarers, this is not just about crew management. It's about safety, education, it's about image of our industry. Thousands of seafarers will be attending. This is a unique opportunity to listen not just the part of industry who are in the offices, but also seafarers. There is always room and opportunity to grow and to learn. Alpha Navigation, the crew management company under my management, since 1997 been going up in respect of the size and the quality. But what I learned from the previous conferences I attended, there's always room to grow. There is always something you learn every day. And this happening only from the real professionals, the professionals from the maritime industry. I would say the most conservative industry in the world. Alpha Navigation and its clients, clients from all over the world, from Europe, from United States, Japan, Singapore, they express their interest, and most of them will attend this event in April. Ukraine, strategically located in a very convenient location. It's right in the middle of Europe. We have a very good combination of crewing companies, seafarers, at the same time. So I think the time you'll spend in April will be rewarded with a great knowledge, not only maritime, but also cultural. Once again, I'm happy to welcome you to Odessa, to the beautiful city, to the maritime capital of Europe, where you will have good experience with Ukrainian seafarers, crew management community, and Odessa State Marine Academy. Thank you.